this is B problem of 676 chord forces round due to. So what is given that just we have a friend, okay, this his room and his home just like a grid. So what we have to do is he first at this point and he want to reach this point, okay. Very simple question. It is only O and all these are containing 1 0 or 0 1 something like that, okay, maybe something else. Only 0 1, not something else, sorry. So what we have to see, we have to change at most 2 so that it cannot be reached at this point. And it is given that it can take any point, like if we take it will start from 0, then it will take all zeros, and if we take 1 it will take all ones to reach that point, okay. Now what we have to do is we have to do us, this is a very simple question, that we have to make these two. So this will be that it will exit from this 0 1 1 place from this or this point. If we make this same and this also same, this both are also same, but I have or different, like this we make both 0 0 and we make them 1 1. So you can choose so for the for to come out he must choose 0, and so he cannot take the 1, okay. And if we this 1 1, then we will take make it is both 0 0. The idea is we have to make different, okay, both different. So what we have to do is we have to check if already given that this 1 comma 2 or 2 comma 1 are same, then check for n minus 1 comma n and n comma n minus 1. We have to check for these four coordinates, okay, and do the following operation. We are just a concept in the mind, that this is the idea behind this question, okay. So what do we do? If both are same, then like if both are same and 0, then we make equal to uh, both equal to 1. If both are 0, then we make it 1. If 1 is 0 comma 1, then we make 1 1 or 0 0. And if we make 1 1, we make both 0 0. If 0 0, we make 1 1. This is the idea behind this. This code is quite large, like if we grid of 0 1 and 1 0, if both are same and last or also same, okay. Like if both are same and these both are also same, so what we have to do is now we have to change, like these are both are 0 and both are also 0, okay, those are same and both are same, and this also same to this, like this. And if this equal to this, okay, then we have to output will be 2 both, because we have to change 2. Then we have to change, just we change, I like this will both are same 0 0, and these are all same 0 and 0. So we will change this 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 1 will be 1 1. Then will be the answer. If both are same and not equal, then answer will be 0. If both are same and not equal, then answer will be 0. Now we have to check if this grid, like if this is a grid and these 2 points are equal, these are equal, then we have to see that if this point is equal to this, if this one, we have can, if like both are equal and both are 1, so we have to make both 0. So we have to check that the answer will must be same, like if like this will be 0 1 or 0 1, 1 0 or 1 0, then we have to check, we have to see that what we have to manipulate, like we have to make this 0 this one, depending on if this equal to this, like this, okay. The idea behind this, we have to make both same and both these both same and both different, okay. This is the code, okay. Thank you.